Hi there, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we're going to learn how to find empty values or null values. So this is our Power BI. So in Power BI, how to find null values. So first, I open the data. Okay, this is the HR analytics data. So we're going to clean. Okay, so if you're going to clean the data, so you don't need to click on load. Instead of load, you click on transform data. Okay, so actually we are going to clean. So you see we have a data. You see this is information. You see in each column there, valid, error, empty. You see 0%, 0%, null values. This means empty means null values. 0% null values. If you don't see, unfortunately, so you go to view and then you click on column query. Let's suppose you have like this. So what do? You go to view column, view menu, and then click on column quality. Actually we know information of each column. So actually I did it intentionally. In last column there is some null values. You see empty values is here 4%. In our data 4% in this column, especially in this column, 4% empty value. So okay, I show you. You see null values. You see null values. Okay, so how many null values here? You see 57. You see 57 null values. So what I do, I need to clean it. Okay, so I remove this one. What I do, I go to home menu, and then you see remove rows. Actually we want to remove first 57. Actually first we need to sorting. Okay, now it's sorted. Actually sorting is from actually ascending order. Least value from. So least value should be null. Okay, now I want to remove. So I want to remove top rows. So actually I want to remove first 57 rows. I remove it. Check it out. You see now we show 0% empty values. So in next lecture we will know how to find duplicate values. Okay, for now, thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.